Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see the recents. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of them, just find it and swipe it up like that. But if you've got a lot of apps open, you can either tap on clear all right here at the bottom of the list, or just by going to the left and tapping on clear all again. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully turned off the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.